Hi guys, and welcome to this week's iFixit video. So today we're going to be replacing the battery in a watch that has just died. So if your watch looks like this, it's got these little nubs here. Get something that you can put a bit of force on. For me, I use these two screwdrivers. I put one in two different holes and I push them counterclockwise, and then this will come undone. And once it's all the way off, you can just simply lift it off. In this watch, there are a few tiny screws. I'll try and show you close to the camera here. So we got one here, we got one here, and we have one here. So we're just going to take them all out. Well, in fact, I might just take one screw here, so the battery is just ready to come out. Lift up the battery, take it out. We'll get our new battery ready. Make sure not to lose those screws. I think this just needs to be pushed open, yeah. Make sure you remember which way the battery went in. And get that placed right in there. Get that screw back in, and we'll call it a day. Make sure the watch is working, which as you can see this one is. And there you go, that's how you replace a watch battery. Nice and easy.